Shilajit resin is a supplement common in Ayurvedic medicine. It contains antioxidants and may offer other health benefits for people with some health conditions, though more research is needed. Shilajit is a sticky substance found primarily in the rocks of the Himalayas. It develops over centuries from the slow decomposition of plants. It's an effective and safe supplement that can have a positive effect on your overall health and well-being. Here's a look at 8 ways to use Shilajit. Prevent or slow Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is a progressive brain disorder that causes problems with memory, behavior, and thinking. Drug treatments are available to improve symptoms of Alzheimer's. However, based on the molecular composition of Shilajit, some researchers believe Shilajit may help prevent or slow the progression of Alzheimer's. The primary component of Shilajit is an antioxidant known as fulvic acid. This powerful antioxidant contributes to cognitive health by preventing the accumulation of tau protein. Tau proteins are an important part of your nervous system, but a buildup can trigger brain cell damage. Researchers think that the fulvic acid in Shilajit may stop the abnormal buildup of tau protein and reduce inflammation, potentially improving Alzheimer's symptoms. However, more research and clinical trials are needed. Raise testosterone. Testosterone is a primary male sex hormone, but some men have a lower level than others. Signs of low testosterone include a low sex drive, hair loss, loss of muscle mass, fatigue, and increased body fat. In one clinical study of male volunteers ages 45 to 55, half of the participants were given a placebo, and half were given a certain dose of purified Shilajit twice every day. After 90 consecutive days, the study found that participants receiving purified Shilajit had a significantly higher testosterone level compared to the placebo group. Treat chronic fatigue syndrome. Chronic fatigue syndrome, or CFS, is a long-term condition that causes extreme tiredness or fatigue. CFS can make it difficult to go to work or school, and simple everyday activities can prove challenging. Researchers think that Shilajit supplements may reduce symptoms of CFS and restore energy. CFS has been associated with mitochondrial dysfunction. This occurs when your cells don't produce enough energy. In a study from 2012, researchers gave lab rats Shilajit for 21 days, and then induced CFS by forcing the rats to swim 15 minutes for 21 consecutive days. The results found that Shilajit helped reduce the effects of CFS. They think this was the result of the Shilajit helping to prevent mitochondrial dysfunction. Based on these results, naturally boosting your body's mitochondrial function with Shilajit supplements may help improve energy levels. Slow aging. Since Shilajit is rich in fulvic acid, a strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, it may also protect against free radicals and cellular damage. As a result, regular use of Shilajit may contribute to longevity, a slower aging process, and overall better health. Reduce altitude sickness. A higher altitude can trigger a range of symptoms including pulmonary edema, insomnia, lethargy or feeling tired or sluggish, body pain, dementia, and hypoxia. Altitude sickness can be triggered by low atmospheric pressure, cold temperatures, or high wind velocity. Researchers think that Shilajit may help you overcome high-altitude problems. Shilajit contains fulvic acid and more than 84 minerals, so it offers numerous health benefits. It can function as an antioxidant to improve your body's immunity and memory, an anti-inflammatory, an energy booster, and a diuretic to remove excess fluid from your body. Because of these benefits, Shilajit is thought to help counteract many symptoms associated with higher altitudes. Treat iron deficiency anemia. Iron deficiency anemia can result from a low iron diet, blood loss, or an inability to absorb iron. Symptoms include fatigue, weakness, cold hands and feet, headache, and irregular heartbeat. Shilajit supplements, however, may gradually increase iron levels. A study divided 18 rats into 3 groups of 6. Researchers induced anemia in the second and third groups. Rats in the third group received 500 milligrams of Shilajit after 11 days. Please note that the daily optimum dosage of Shilajit for human will always be different from what is used during animal trials. Researchers collected blood samples from all groups on day 21. The results revealed that rats in the third group had higher levels of hemoglobin, hematocrit, and red blood cells compared to rats in the second group. These are all vital components of your blood. Treat infertility. Shilajit is also a safe supplement for male infertility. In one study, a group of 60 infertile men took Shilajit twice a day for 90 days after meals. At the end of the 90-day period, more than 60% of the study participants showed an increase in total sperm count. More than 12% had an increase in sperm motility. Sperm motility refers to the ability of the sperm in a sample to move adequately, an important part of fertility. Shilajit, as a dietary supplement, may also improve heart health. Researchers tested the cardiac performance of Shilajit on lab rats. After receiving a pre-treatment of Shilajit, some rats were injected with isoproterenol to induce heart injury. The study found that rats given Shilajit prior to cardiac injury had fewer cardiac lesions. Please note, Shilajit is not recommended for patients with active heart disease. Help improve bone density in females. During menopause, many females assigned at birth can begin to lose bone mass, making bones weaker. According to a 2022 study, taking Shilajit supplements daily may help postmenopausal women with bone mass loss improve their bone mineral density. This can help reduce the chance of conditions like osteoporosis and injuries like fractures. Who should avoid taking Shilajit? Don't take Shilajit if you have sickle cell anemia, hemochromatosis, which is too much iron in your blood, or thalassemia. It's possible to be allergic to this supplement. Stop taking Shilajit if you develop a rash, increased heart rate, or dizziness. Also, for women who are lactating, breastfeeding, or pregnant, do not take Shilajit without consulting your doctor. Found primarily in the rocks of the Himalayas, Shilajit is a sticky substance that forms over centuries as plants decompose. It's frequently utilized in Ayurvedic medicine and may offer many health benefits. However, more research is needed to better understand the appropriate dose and how the substance works. If you are considering taking Shilajit, speak with an expert to determine if it's best for you, and do not fall for cheap Shilajit available here and there. Pür Shilajit is an expensive mineral which might provide you with numerous health benefits, whereas cheap adulterated Shilajit may be unprocessed, may contain heavy metals to a very high level, or may contain harmful adulterants. If you want to take Shilajit and you are sure about it, we recommend Pür Shilajit. Pür Shilajit is one of the finest forms of Shilajit resin in the world. Carefully harvested from the Altai Mountains, it is rich in minerals and fulvic acid and does not contain any sort of adulterants like gums, added water, or molasses. Just pure form of Shilajit, which is sun-dried for 70 days as compared to cheap versions of so-called Shilajit, which is artificially heated. It comes with complete certificate of analysis regarding safety and is collected and processed by a family-owned business on a small scale to ensure the best quality in the world without any compromises. The good news is that it is now available at Supplements Wallah at a discounted price. Contact us at +91 987 2223 444 to place an order or message us on Instagram, link in the bio.